Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I prepared this refreshing popsicle for the kids, please stick around. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am preparing a treat for the kids. You know, it's the summertime and it's getting warm, so what I want to go ahead and do is make a popsicle from scratch with strawberries, yogurt, ice cream, and cherry jello. Let's get started. We're gonna start off by pouring the jello into a bowl and add some water to that. Not too much water. We're just going to go ahead and stir this around until all the jello is dissolved into the water. Now we're going to go ahead and add our vanilla ice cream to our blender. Now we're going to go ahead and add our yogurt to the blender. Now we're going to go ahead and cut up our strawberries and add it to the blender. Now we're going to go ahead and add our jello mix into the blender. Now we can go ahead and pour our mix into our cup. Okay guys, so once we're finished with that, we're going to go ahead and let our popsicle freeze a little. Then we're going to go and add our sticks to the popsicles. I could not find any popsicle sticks in the supermarket, so I had to improvise. I am using coffee stirrers sticks in order to make this work. Okay guys, so this is our popsicle. Oh my goodness, my kids absolutely enjoy this, especially for the summertime. It's warm outside. This is so simple to do. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna have my daughter pull this one out so you guys can see how easy it is. This is so simple, so easy, especially if you don't want to waste money and buy a popsicle tray. This is pretty simple. Just get some plastic cups from the dollar store and there you got yourself some strawberry popsicles. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.